everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to print wallet size picture in Microsoft Word. In order to do it so, you could follow the simple steps. Now first thing first, let's understand what a wallet size. The standard dimension of a wallet size photo or picture is that what the wallet size is 2 into 3 and the wallet size is centimeter is 5.0 centimeter to and 7.62 centimeter. Likewise, the wallet size in millimeter is 50.8 millimeter into 76.2 millimeter. And likewise, the wallet size is in pixel is 600 to 900 pixels at 300 ppi resolution. Now, to begin with this procedure, we'll go ahead and open up our Word. And next thing you want to do is at the top of the screen, you could see multiple tabs. So from there, you want to go ahead and click the insert button first thing, and you could find this picture. Now you need to insert the picture, whether it's in a stock image, online pictures, or in the following device. Now it's actually in my device, so I'll go ahead and select it on my device itself. Once you've actually inserted the picture, now make sure that the image is being selected as indicated by a gray border. As you can see, there's this gray border, and then select the crop button located in the top right hand side corner of the screen. Now here you want to go ahead and click the crop button. First of all, click on crop, and then you want to go to aspect ratio and make sure to select it to 2:3. Now you'll notice that the photo is being covered by a canvas area which has thickened a bit, and a black line on the corner as well as it will appear. So it should look something different. Now you could just go with the picture format and then make sure to change it as well. So after which you could go to the picture format section, and then you could go ahead and make changes with the styling. So you could go with the changes, and this is the way you could go ahead and print wallet size picture in Microsoft. Now what you need to do is, in order to print it, just press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, and this way you'll be able to print it out. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.